Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play 100 pin bowling on Wii Sports. First, navigate to the Wii menu and select the Wii Sports channel. Once the game loads, choose the bowling option from the main menu. Then, look for and select the 100 pin game mode. This special mode offers a unique challenge with many more pins than the standard game. Get ready for an exciting and extended bowling experience right from your living room. To begin your game, hold the Wii remote comfortably, just like you would a real bowling ball. Press the button to confirm your starting position on the lane. Before you bowl, use the directional pad, or D-pad, on your remote to carefully adjust your aim. You can move your bowler left or right to find the perfect angle. Precise aiming is crucial for knocking down as many of the 100 pins as possible with each throw. Now for the fun part, the release. Swing your arm forward naturally, mimicking a real bowling motion. As your arm reaches the top of its forward swing, release the B button to send the ball down the lane. For added control and to create a curve, try twisting your wrist slightly as you release. This technique can help you hit those hard-to-reach pins and achieve impressive strikes, especially with so many pins to clear. To maximize your score, always aim for the very center pin on your first throw to create a powerful explosion. If you don't get a strike, carefully adjust your next shot to target the remaining pins. Remember, the goal is to knock down all 100 pins across 10 frames. Each frame gives you 2 chances to clear the lane. With practice, you will master the art of 100 pin bowling and achieve fantastic scores.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.